What's finished?
The stage.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be so cool.
A piece of meat?
We can make one. This one and this one.
Okay, put some of that. We'll wash your hands when you're done. You're good at this. Man. Okay, now I want you to squeeze out some mustard. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, squeeze it out. On the cheese. Need help?
Still $2 a day.
Good job. Put some there.
Is that $800 thing that you did?
Good job.
That's
Okay.
I did this one. I'm gonna cut your grass some more.
Now
Good.
spread it on the
I'll
cheese.
just give you a check right now. A check. Check.
I'm making.
Shut up.
Look at me.
I have cash.
I did my turn.
Good job.
I might have some cash.
I'm just playing. Okay.
I did.
Good job. You did a great job, didn't you?
Yeah.
Let's fix it just a little.
Daddy likes it. You like it, Daddy? Daddy, you like it, Daddy?
Steven, ask him again. He didn't hear you.
You like it, Daddy?
I love it, baby girl.
You like eat it?
I want to eat it right now.
Please, you like, please.
Yes, please. I really
Okay,
want to
put
eat
some
it.
of this on the cheese. It's good.
Thank you, Tiffany.
Good job. Good job.
I want to do it.
We're almost done. Good job. Hold on, I have something else for you to do.
Ooh, put some hot sauce on there for Daddy. Daddy loves the hot sauce.
Okay, shake this right on the cheese. Be real careful. Whoa, okay, that's a lot. Now put some on that cheese. Right there. Good job. Perfect.
Judge, you're so awesome.
I said apples.
Okay, well now we're going to put some spinach.
Yeah.
Gotta give Daddy his greens, keep them regular.
You like fish?
I love spinach. Can I have some on my sandwich, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
He's liking fish.
Okay, it's already been washed, so go ahead and get some out.
It's washed.
You want to try a piece?
No, I make them.
Okay.
And I want to make them. It goes like that. I want to make them.
Daddy's getting hungry.
Dad gets so hungry.
I'm getting so hungry.
Dad gets so
I
hungry.
can't wait to eat the sandwich that Raleigh and Mommy are making for me.
Yeah. It's so proud. It's so proud of Daddy. It's so proud of Daddy.
She's so proud.
Are you so proud of Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Does he work hard?
Yeah. Yeah, you work.
I'm not working right now?
Yeah, this am in my house.
I'm in your house with you.
Yeah.
You're just in there in the
And
house.
the kids' house, the over 50 house, and mommy's house, and our baby we are.
Uncle Phil's house and Mommy's house?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about Aunt Kat?
She said Aunt Kelly.
Oh, she did.
Okay, last ones.
Oh,
You did it.
good job, baby.
Oh, something else.
You know, I think this is good. So now we're going to put the top on. Okay, help me. Can you smush it down a little? Good job.
Oh, you're such a good cooker.
Cook.
I did it.
Good job. Now you're going to watch Mommy cut it?
Yeah. I want to do it.
No, this knife's too sharp, but you can watch me. Ask Daddy.
Yeah.
Ask him real loud. No, you have to say.
Yeah, my baby's for Daddy.
Oh, baby, what?
Yeah, my baby's for.
You want veggie straws?
Yeah, my baby's for Daddy.
Yes, please. Can I have some veggie straws?
And Uncle Phil wants this for you, and the kids want baby stars.
They
do?
all of them want veggie straws.
And you.
I want veggie straws, yeah.
And you want baby stars.
Yes, I do.
And you want baby
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Mommy wants baby stars.
And Raleigh?
Mommy wants baby stars.
Everybody wants veggie straws.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's cold.
Okay, put some on his plate. Put them right here.
cooking fun.
There's a cookie fun.
Yes, it is, beautiful girl.
It's fun. It's fun.
Do you love to cook?
We
Are
are done.
you going to learn to cook as good as Mama someday?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're already doing a good job.
Don't eat them. We got them money. Hey, we got them money. Don't eat them. Don't eat
Eat
them.
'em.
We got cook them.
We
We
gotta.
gotta cook them.
We got cook them.
Okay, I think that's enough for Daddy, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's not enough.
Okay, a little bit more. Last one. All right, you want to help me take the plate to him?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got help you.
Okay. Hold it really tight. Okay. Be real careful. Take it to Daddy. Daddy, get ready. It's coming.
Come on, Daddy.
Daddy, please get ready.
Oh, did you make that for Daddy? You're the best. Can I have a kid? Thank you, beautiful cook. Give me a high five. You want a veggies jar?